what's guys? It's so much for some more of the Pizzaplex season 2. This episode is called Nature versus Nurture. The Pizzaplex season 2, episode 6. I'm very excited for this. Also, it looks like we have Roxanne and Moon in the thumbnail. Also, for those who haven't seen my latest post, I want you guys to put down what it's like to live in your country, you know? So, in case things get too out of hand here in America, then I could possibly move to that other country, you know? And so far, I've only gotten one response, but it's a really good response, too. So, alright. Let's go. Okay, no. Oh, I know.
What are you doing? Did you stop that already?
I'm trying to beat the world record.
Why? What even is the world record?
She must beat the world record.
Why is it so important to you?
Because if I win, I get a coupon.
Oh, a coupon.
If I win, I get a coupon. That's sometimes how it works in game shows and stuff.
Great, my scrapbook. That's our restaurant. You need the coupon. We eat there for free.
Oh. I still want the coupon. She must get the coupon.
Like the insurance taking this pretty serious. Shut up, you
Oh,
know.
those
I don't care
lifeless
how bad
eyes.
it is. I told you I'm using my paid leave till my contract is up. Collateral? No, please. They can't repossess my home. They can't. What am I going to tell Cassie? All right, one last job. Those things better be acting properly, like you said, or...
What?
I understand. I'll be there first thing. Tonight? I can't do tonight. Who's gonna watch my daughter? Okay, fine. Tonight. I'll be there.
I do like Cassie, though.
Mother Cass cares for her
Aww, kittens!
and nourishment
Oh my gosh, I love kittens.
until the kitten is old enough to go off on its own.
Wait, I think I did hear my, what was this? Yeah, psychology. I did hear, saying nature versus nurture. Nature is stuff that happens on its own, I think. And nurture is, caring for something or someone. How you would, see, someone, a mother nurturing her baby, you know. She's taking care of it.
The cat then proceeds to tell the kitten
Yeah.
to follow and be independent, so it can learn to be on its own. Much like my own mother.
I mean, yeah, I guess that's sometimes how it works.
The moment I turned 18. I'll never forgive you, Mom. Those nights in the dumpster were awful. Relax, there's no Get off me! Get off me! Down, man. I'm cool. This is a live recording. I'm cool.
Oh!
Hey, you got any update on why all our doors keep acting up?
Let's have a baby.
Let's have a baby. Alright. Also, how are two female animatronics gonna have a, intercourse?
The mother wolf cares for the wolf cub.
Aw.
Pop? Please, man, just stick to the
Aw. Those are cute. I mean, they're not far from dogs, so. Also, I think there's some people out there who do have, like, pet wolves or whatever. And especially you live in, like, a snowy area, like, I don't know, Russia or something. I don't know. I don't think they have pet wolves, but. Or unless you live in, like, maybe Alaska or Antarctica or something. Or. Yeah. Yeah. If you live in, like, a really snowy area, then, yeah, I guess you could have a pet wolf.
I'm really trying here, guys, but now the teleprompter's broken, so I'm literally winging it.
Where's this coming from, Chica?
No.
Aww.
Things have just felt so tense lately. I've been feeling different. But around the right little bundle of joy, I just feel like me. I feel like myself, and it's amazing.
Also, I think, doesn't the series take place between Screwbridge and Ruin?
Sometimes I wish the Pizzaplex would never close, so I could feel like that forever. Don't you think that's the change of pace we need?
What do you mean, we? Kids aren't for me.
I thought you loved kids, Roxy.
I love when they praise me.
I love when they praise me. Yeah, that is a Roxy thing to say. You can like taking care of kids, but you might not want kids on your own. That's a different thing. Because, like, okay, if you, like, work at, like, a daycare or something, you don't have to, like, take care of kids for, like, a few hours. If you're a parent, you have to take care of that kid 24/7, basically. You and or your partner.
That's something?
What is it with you lately? First, you're a jerk to Vanessa, then you're a jerk about kids like they aren't the sole purpose for our existence. You're being such a B-word.
B-word.
Sorry, I'm not on board with your kidnapping idea.
It's not kidnapping, it's adoption.
What? Pepper, I'm out of here.
I know.
You can fantasize about being a mom all you want, mother hen.
Well, Chica's a chicken. And Roxy does give off, like, mother vibes, kinda.
The, doors are still acting up. So can you pretend I slammed the door here?
Oh, sure.
Maybe I can, like, throw something to achieve the same
You
message?
could kick the trash over.
No, that wouldn't accomplish the same thing.
Yeah.
Just pretend that... Oh, hey, look at what you did.
That's
But
funny.
yeah, mother hen and all that stuff. Bye.
Bye.
All right, come on. Let's try to make this quick and we can go home.
We got the whole Mega Pizzaplex to ourselves. Dad, this is awesome.
Don't get too excited, sweetie. You remember the stories Effie swept under the rug. Just stay close to me while I work, all right?
Dad, can I go see Roxy?
Sweetie, I don't think that's a good idea.
Why?
But Dad, I don't want to just be sitting there bored watching you work.
Maybe you can hit up the arcade and play there while I work.
Fine. You're the boss, Dad. Dad.
All right, kiddo. I'll try to be as quick as possible.
Hi, please take this map.
Hey, thanks, bud.
Okay.
And that is why I think each of us adopting a kid would be really good for our mental health.
What's the pie chart for? What do those numbers represent?
What's the pie chart for?
Oh, I don't know. I just thought having a pie chart would look more official.
Huh?
Also because I like pie.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Pie is good. I like pie too.
Pizza pie.
After that,
Oh, there is. Look. This next picture is of a giraffe on a seesaw.
Oh my gosh. That's funny. Also, I wonder if you or anyone who works for him actually drew that.
that is pretty funny. Chica, while I agree having a kid around each would be great, it's just not practical for this environment.
Oh,
This is a
true.
place of business after all. A dangerous
True.
one at that. And isn't exactly the nurturing environment fit for a kid.
True.
Plus it'd be a lot of paperwork.
True.
I don't like reading.
But Freddy, you had Gregory.
And I
That's-
think the gods,
That was temporary.
every night, he's in a safer place now. I miss him, but it's for the best.
I think
Speaking of
he's
which, has anyone
dead.
seen my feds talking? No. Did you check your stomach feds? Of course, I checked my stomach hatch, Monty. It's literally the first place I looked. I don't know, man.
Wait, hold on. Why is Music Man there?
Might be
Or,
a nice
yeah,
little
DJ.
hatch. Yeah, it's today. You're saying this with such confidence, I want to look again, even though I know it's not there. Yeah, man. Not me.
Holy crap, the light turned on right as I got an idea. Did you guys get that?
That's funny. What? Having kids with DJ? Hey.
Yeah. Hey! It's you! Cassie! Welcome back, kiddo.
Oh my gosh. Roxy. Hi.
Wait, what are you doing here? It's late. We're closed.
My dad, he got called into work and couldn't find a sitter today. I'm really supposed to be at the arcade.
So you disobeyed your parents' orders to come hang out with me. Nice.
Yeah.
Your dad. Technician guy, right?
Yeah.
Surprised we had any left.
That's funny.
It was a different time, sweetie. We're better now.
What's with the cameramen?
Oh, these guys? Just making a little documentary thing about us.
Jake?
Hmm?
That's Jake. He's worked with my dad before.
I thought you guys said you weren't affiliated with FE.
Best for entertainment.
Where?
Can I hang out with you tonight, Roxy?
Who am I to turn away someone who went out of their way to see me? Of course you can. Come on in.
That's cute. Okay. Aw.
Well, hello, Chi. Didn't see you there?
In my room?
What's with the music man?
Oh, Freddy and Monty convinced me not to adopt a kid, so I did the next best thing. This little guy is my impromptu son. I am a little sad because part of me did want a real kid, but I understand what's best for the pizza. Holy moly, a real kid!
Guess I took your advice after all.
Why is there a child on your shoulders, Roxy?
You remember Cassie, right? Except I call her Sassy Cassie because she's just like me.
Sassy Cassie. That's a good nickname. That's a good one.
Like how everyone calls me Bossy Roxy.
Oh yeah. Don't call her that.
She's literally a
The
little
fast facts.
tiny me. It's awesome.
We are the best!
Hell yeah.
Woohoo!
I guess you owe me an apology.
You're right. I'm sorry, Roxy.
Yeah, I guess you were wrong about me. Who's a B word now?
Guess I was wrong about you.
Man, Fight back.
Do you want me to fight back? Grr.
Anyway, we're gonna go down to the daycare, and then to me, Raceway, and
Yay,
ride
Sun
some
and
carts.
Moon!
There's
My
no
favorites.
passenger bot heads, but if you...
As for Sun? Me. He's my favorite.
as tough as me, I'm sure she'll be fine.
Wait, Roxy, backpedal a bit. Don't you think doing that would be a little dangerous?
You're right. Thanks for the tip, Chi.
It was nice seeing you, Chica.
Awesome sauce.
Man, that was my helmet.
Is that a little too small for you?
I liked that helmet.
Would it have been too small for her?
Hey, Freddie, check it out. Got a kid with me. I know we're close, but her dad works here or whatever, so don't freak.
Why, hello there, little lady.
Hi, Freddie.
Hey, I remember you.
Check out this art she drew me. Probably way better than anything that lame-o Gregory drew for you.
Wow, you did that, Cassie? That's amazing.
Oh, it's nothing.
Gregory drew me that.
Whoa.
Oh, wait, what's that reference to? Oh, what's this a reference to? I don't know. Oh, is it Adam and Eve? Is that what this is referencing? I don't know.
That is impressive.
Roxy,
Yeah.
you seem different. We're around kids every day. What's the reason behind this behavior?
'Cause this kid's great. She's not your standard stuck-up autograph-hounding glazer fanboy.
That's
Quick,
funny.
Cassie, say that one movie quote.
Girl, you stinky.
Classic.
What movie is that from?
Yeah.
No. They said they fixed them. They said they fixed everything.
Access denied.
Hey, son!
Oh,
Hello, old woman. I love Sun's voice. I think it's played by Jay Macaroni, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I thought he was gonna say that, like, other line from one of the other episodes, like, where it's like, yes, mommy?
So then I told Vanessa, definitely use more oil.
Hey, son!
Yes, mommy?
What?
I thought we were doing a thing here. You called me son?
Yeah, that's your name?
Oh! That's what you meant. Okay. That certainly makes a lot more sense.
Where do wolves live?
Son,
They can live pretty much anywhere. Siberia, Russia, Ukraine. I don't know what are places that wolves live. Oh, I think Alaska is one of them, actually, or Colorado or something. Yeah, I don't think we have wolves here in PA, actually. We do have coyotes, though, which are kind of close, so... Well, they're both canines, so...
I got a kid with me here. She's super cool.
Oh.
Anyway, when do I change her diaper or whatever?
You're kidding, right?
No.
A little too old for that, aren't you, sweetie?
Don't call me sweetie.
Not you.
I
Okay.
just got back from Me Raceway. She beat my ass. Well, the girl's a natural. I wouldn't be surprised if one day you win Procast. Just remember me when you make it big.
Or she would do amazing at Mario Kart.
You would be the first person I mentioned in my victory speech, Roxy.
Is that so?
Wait, You lost a race? And we're okay with it?
Yeah, so? I can take a loss.
I highly doubt that. Well, at least against, well, some people, probably.
Sometimes.
Wow,
Yeah.
Roxy, that's really...
Huh?
Roxy, what's going on?
Ew. Why is he acting like a zombie?
What happens to the good old days, Roxy? Giving naughty children up past their bedtime. What they deserve.
To be honest.
Back off.
You're all wrong. All wrong. All wrong. All wrong. Be your best self. Be your best self.
You freaking psycho. Why would the virus versions of us be our best selves?
You accepted who you needed to
I feel like this is just, I think this is Vinny talking. Also, oh, wait a minute. I don't think the virus was taken on Moon yet because I remember correctly. I'm pretty sure the virus was taken on Monty because he fought back. Right? Like, when he went to, like, drag Bonnie off somewhere, he fought off the virus and he's cured from it now, I think.
This weakness is coming to you. That's the virus. And I've spotted the first symptom.
Oh!
Cassie!
Roxy, help!
Oh. Wait, hold on. Where is Roxy's dad? Also, I feel like her, like, being in the arcade, yeah, I feel like she probably would have gotten kidnapped either way because there's no supervision. But then again, she did just get kidnapped here, so. Also, I wouldn't be surprised that, like, Moon can do all that stuff because, well, he is kind of quick. And, he's very flexible, so, yeah. Like, especially when he drags off Freddy in, Security Breach. You know?
I just feel like you haven't been around enough.
Haven't been around enough.
I mean, these are his developmental years. These are the times of his life where he needs his father the most.
What? What? Who, Gregory?
You read the fucking music, man?
Stop, not in front of him. Out there, not in here.
I'm around. So what if I left for a bit to go to the fastball?
And while you're out there drinking and enjoying yourself, I'm here with him, alone, trying to make the most of the least.
Oh my gosh, they sound like every couple ever.
It ain't chilly.
I think I'm gonna take the little music man,
Oh,
and he'll be
Pacifier
staying
is
at
so
Bonnie's
cute.
for a while.
What?
Maybe he'll be a better father than you.
Hell no. You are not taking my child away from me.
You don't get...
Yeah, Monty would. He does give me dad vibes, like abusive dad vibes.
to decide what's best for him. You decided the moment you came to your room, low battery, dazed, and knocked out on your couch.
You're smothering him.
So they're basically playing house at this point.
You'll never probably get into a good French house location if you keep doing this.
He needs me.
What the hell are we doing?
This is funny.
Out of my way, Gator.
Here, excuse me.
Freddie, I lost her. I lost her.
What?
The kid, Freddie. I lost the kid. Cassie, Freddie, Cassie.
Oh, no.
I never should have brought her there. Never. We all knew Son had a few screws loose. What was I thinking? Sun, Moon, whatever the hell you want to call him, he took her, Freddy. He took her. I looked everywhere. I even checked the daycare every square foot. Nothing.
Also, they weren't in the daycare. I'm pretty sure they were in, was it the atrium?
He could be anywhere by now. She could be dead. Well, you're the expert child protector here. You even kept Gregory safe from me. Me! What do I do?
Don't worry, Roxy. I'll help you get Cassie back.
Thanks.
After I take care of the
When he shows up, and he will, we'll know.
Okay.
The hell are you wearing?
I wanted to suit up. Moon gives me the creeps.
That's funny.
It's Moon. He's in the daycare.
Good, let's go. When we get our hands on Platehead, I'm gonna...
Moon wants you to go alone.
Come alone. Lol.
Moon? Come on out!
Okay. Oh.
Roxy, did you come to embrace your better half? God knows, I did.
No, I'm here for the kid. Where's the kid, Moon? Where is she, Moon?
Roxy!
You're still not quite there yet, Roxy. Not quite there.
Stop. Don't hurt her. What do you want?
I want the good old days back. I sensed potential from all of you. Don't make me wait.
Look, Moondrop, Moonrise. whatever the hell we
Moonrise.
call you. We don't have it anymore. Now let the kid go.
Yeah, untie me, freak job. My dad's a technician.
I was about a little reinforcement.
Oh god, no! You're gonna throw her off!
Moon? Moon, stop!
Attachment is a lot like hedges. We have to snip and cut away the ugly parts until what we have left is nice and perfect. Attachment makes you weak. You don't want to be weak, do you, Roxy?
No!
They say that pain is just weakness leaving the body.
Oh, nice!
Are you
Nice!
okay? I feel that you are broken.
I feel like you're broken.
My arm. He pulled me hard, Freddy.
I told you to come alone.
Oh!
Stop pretending there's even a 1% chance your doom is because you're a good person. You Glamrocks are such glory hounds. So sanctimonious. All the virus did was reveal more of the truth.
Oh!
You five are
Oh! Hidden play structures.
You couldn't save Bonnie. You couldn't stop yourself from attacking Gregory. And now, you won't be able to save Cassie. Give it to your true
I'm so sick of your stupid metaphors and
Wait,
analogies.
what's she gonna do?
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm perfectly fine. I'm perfect. I'm better than I've ever been. I'm better than everyone. You can't fix what isn't broken. You can't improve what's already perfect. We don't have it.
Oh!
There's the real you.
Because she was fighting for someone else.
Between you and me, Roxy, this version of you is the best.
Roxy, stop! It's Son!
Ha!
What? What did I do? Guys, so what did I do? What happened? Someone please tell me, please! What did I do?
It was Moon.
Cassie, are you okay?
Cassie! Cassie, what did they do to you? What the hell happened?
I'm fine, Dad. It's just my arm.
Get back! You guys aren't fixed at all. You're still just as awful as you were before.
They really.
But Dad!
We're leaving. Now.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like even if she was still in the arcade, they would have still got to her. Or at least Moon would have.
Roxy, what happened? Where's Cassie?
Like I said before, kids aren't for me.
Aw.
You guys aren't fixed at all. You're still just as awful as you were before.
Roxy, you said...
We don't have it.
Dang. That was quite the ending. Wait, there's still 5 more minutes? Yeah. Game of Thrones is 7 minutes. Wow. This was quite the emotional episode, I will say. I know there's still a little bit more to it. There's still like 4 more minutes of this. Does she have wine balls? Or beer balls?
Thanks for coming.
And...
Yeah, of course.
Oh! It's Bonnie.
I know it's a little selfish of me with all that's going on with you. Just
Yeah.
thanks. Vanessa off today?
Probably not, but who cares? So
Yeah.
it's on your mind.
There was this kid, Vaughn. Great kid. Awesome kid. And I messed everything up.
Roxy, that was not your fault, okay? Moon was the one that kidnapped her, not you.
I messed it all up. We were having a great time. And then I beat Moon.
Oh, yeah.
And now I'm never seeing her again. I don't know what's wrong with me. Nothing. Nothing, right?
I mean, you saved the kid, so there's definitely something right with you.
That's true.
That's the problem.
Also, that's like 4 alcohol bottles. Roxy, are you slowly becoming an alcoholic?
It felt right. It felt natural. I don't know, it's like I was really me again. Felt
Because
like I still feel like me
Because probably you're programmed to protect children, maybe?
regardless. You know?
And fight for them?
Vaughn, you're the only one that never had the virus.
Yeah, one of the few luxuries being dead.
That's funny. In a sense.
If something was wrong with me, with us, you'd tell me, right?
Can I start now?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, Roxy. You can count on me.
Pizzaplex?
Oh.
No thanks. That stuff goes right through me.
Oh, that's Busy Pass. I thought that was
Sorry,
alcohol.
Shut up about you, by the way.
Yeah, I'll get to it eventually.
Kid loved you more than Monty. Oh, I'm getting a news alert. Water is also wet.
Yeah.
Being wet is when something is covered in water. Water itself can't be wet, Roxy.
But
Oh.
water is covered in itself.
Oh.
Touche.
Touche. There's still another minute of this, so.
Hello?
Where's.
Hello?
Hello?
Enjoy it while you can. One day, the sun won't rise again, and the Pizzaplex will be shrouded in a cloud of darkness. Moon, buddy. Come on. There's plenty of night and day in the Pizzaplex, promise? It won't be us.
They don't like me. Oh. Oh, that light's gonna go out. Yep.
Girl, you're stinky.
Wow. Wow. What an episode. That was a good episode. Well, that's it for today's video. So hit the subscribe and hit the bell so guys think and that come out to see some more actions of the Pizzaplex. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios amigos.